Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. This is your boy Devi again, and in today's video I just want to look at my review of day 1 in Power of 2 Tron smart contract. So we have waited for this contract to go live for some good time, like over a month ago. The developers were promising us and it would postpone, but it went live yesterday. So this is my back office, and so far 8,000 people have joined in less than 24 hours, as you can see here. And your affiliate link, it appears here. You just have to click here and you copy it and you send it to your friends and family members or other networkers, and they join under you. And also here, this is your wallet address will appear here. You just can copy it and check its transactions on Tron scan, as I'll be showing you guys. So the compensation plan has got two programs in it. It has got the X Factor. This one, it is from global spillover. Even if you don't refer members here and you buy a pack, members will be placed under you and you will get commission. And it has also got the Prime. Now this Prime, it is your team build. The members who join under you, you get commissions from them from here. So if I'm to look at the compensation plans, the X Factor. Now each plan has got 10 slots, as you can see, from slot number 1 up to slot number 10. So you just have to activate them. So these ones in green have been activated. I activated them, and as you can see, they place 2 people under you. One person, the commission goes to you, and the commission for this other person, it goes to your upline, and it will open the slot again for you to earn from it. As you can see here, this is the reinvestment of the slots. So it means here I've so far cycled 3 times. I've cycled 3 times here. Here I've cycled 2 times, here 2 times, here 1 time. Here I've not yet cycled, even here I've not yet cycled. But I know as people will be getting in, I'll also cycle in them. And so these are slots here, as you can see. If you click or you pass a cursor on it, it says buy slot. These ones I've not yet bought them, and you have to buy them in their order. You can't buy slot 8 without buying this. If I want to click on this, it shows you that you have to upgrade to slot 7 first in Prime. So that's that. And then this button here, placed in the middle of the composition plans, this one here, it's placed between X Factor and Prime. So this one activates the slots simultaneously. As you can see here, it says buy X Factor and Prime slot 7. If you want to buy this and this one concurrently, you just have to press it. It will buy them at the same time. So there's no need of buying this one at its own and also buying this one at its own. You just have to use this button. Now this one shows the partners in these slots. So far I've recruited 24 people, and in this slot there are 22. In slot number 2 there are 13. Slot number 3 there are 10. Slot number 4 there are 3. These are the ones who have upgraded up to these slots. Slot number 5 there is now 1, and there was someone here who bypassed me. When I bought this slot, it brought 0. So, and here there is someone who bypassed me also, because this is the guy. He upgraded up to the 7th slot, and I lost commission on him because I was his downline, but he upgraded faster than me, so I had to lose commission from him. So even here now, if I buy this slot, it will appear 0, like here. then I'll be waiting for other members in my team who can buy the slot, and I earn 10% commission from it. So essentially here it is better to buy the slots before your downlines buy them, because if your downline buys a slot before you, he will bypass you and you won't earn any commission from him. So that's the essence of buying the slots in Prime, that you don't miss the 10% commission from your downline and all their downlines. Now if we are take an example of this slot here, I've referred these 22 people. I've earned 10% of the $5 from each of them. So it means that I'm going to earn 10% from all their downlines up to 10 levels deep. Yeah, that's what it means here. Because in the compensation plan, it says that you have to earn 10% commission from all your downlines, 10 levels deep. So if these 22 people refer 22, I'll also earn commission from the 22, and also earn commission from the 22 that they refer up to 10 levels deep. That's what it means. Which other thing can we look at here? Now there are these 3 bars here. If you click on them, they will expand the page up to here. As you can see, this is my ID. So you guys, if you want to join under me, you are free to use my ID. It is 812, and your total income appears here in TRX. So I've so far earned 24,000. In US dollars, it's around 632. These are direct referrals. This is my wallet. And some other thing, there is also this thing here. This is the shortcut to the Telegram group. You click on it, you will open the Telegram group. I've already opened it here. So this is the Telegram group, as you can see here. Here, it was muted. The guys are now just joining in. And what else? It's the contract. This one is you click it, you go to the Facebook page. So it is better to get in here, you guys. It is still early. It is less than 24 hours, and the contract is doing good. People are joining. The good thing about it, it gives you free referrals for those who can't refer any member. Join in, buy these slots, and you'll get commission. As you can see here, I've earned more commission from the X Factor compared to the Prime, yet I have a team of 22 people. So it means that the more slots you buy, the more commission that you'll get. So let me first look at my wallet here, the transactions that are going in. So it is slow. Yeah, it has opened. So these are the transactions I've so far received, as you can see them. If I'm to go to received, it will only show the transactions that I've been receiving from my team. So as you can see, all these ones, these are the commissions. These are the ones that have come in. So the ones that I've sent, click here. These are the ones I've sent. Now I've sent these ones when I'm upgrading in the slots. These are the slots I've upgraded to. So guys, get in. It is too early, and even if you get in at a later date and you upgrade your slots, you'll be given the 2 referrals to be placed under you. So that's my review about Power of 2 Tron smart contract. $600 earned on day 1, and it is good. I'm going to push this and see if I can earn some more commission from it. Okay guys, see you in another video. Like my my video if you like it. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so that you won't miss any video from me again. See you guys in another video.